Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that 1 plus sin 2a minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a plus cos 2a equal to tan a. So let's take the LHS left hand side. So 1 plus sin 2a minus cos 2a. Now 1 plus sin 2a plus cos 2a. Now here after we need to change this one in the form of sine cos. So we can write 1 plus 2 sin a into cos a, and for cos 2a we can write cos a square a minus sin square a. Now here 1 plus sin 2a we can write 2 sin a into cos a, and cos 2a we can write cos square a minus sin square a. So suppose here for the cos we can write cos square a plus sin square a. After that when I compare with this, so it will do the sum cancellation. So here for 1 we can write cos square a plus sin square a. Now 2 sin a into cos a, so plus is hidden, minus plus minus 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 plus, so this is here minus plus minus minus cos square a minus minus plus sin square a. The same thing for this one we can write cos square a plus sin square a, 2 sin a into cos a, and write this one plus cos square a minus sin square a. So this term that cancel, sin square cancel, 1 sin square a, 1 sin square a, that become 2 sin square a. Now 2 sin into cos a we can write, and hereafter cos square a plus cos square a, 2 cos square a. Write this one 2 sin a into cos a. After that common is 2 sin a is the common for the up, and sin a plus cos a we can write. Now 2 cos a is the common, so we can write cos a, and here sin a that left. So this term cancel, 2 cancel. Now here we can write sin a by cos a, tan a. So tan a we need to get that, so here finally I got. So now we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to tan a proved. So this is the way we can prove this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.